Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let's discuss a question related to the chapter Circle in 10th standard CBSE. Here you can see the question: prove that the tangents drawn at the end of a diameter of a circle are parallel. Here after get the question you have to draw a figure like this. I have drawn here the figure, and here we can see a radius with the center O and the diameter AB, and there are two tangents, that is PQ and S are the diameters, and it touches the points of the circle A and B respectively. So we have to show that the lines PQ and SR are parallel. So it is enough to show that the alternative angles are equal. That is, it is enough to show that this angle and this angle are equal, also this angle and this angle are equal, that is alternative angles are equal. Then we can see that we can show that the tangents are, or the lines are parallel. Okay, and here OA is the radius that touch the tangents PQ, and OB is the radius corresponding to the tangent SR. So we can write it as OA is perpendicular to PQ. Since the line drawn from the center of the circle to the tangent is perpendicular to that tangent. OA is the radius, and the line drawn from the center of the circle to the tangent is perpendicular to tangent. Similarly, OB is the radius that touch the line PQ, that touch the tangents, SR. So we can say that the line drawn from the center of the circle to the tangent is perpendicular to the tangent. Therefore, OB is perpendicular to SR. Okay, so we can write it as angle, this angle and this angle, similarly this angle and this angle are 90 degree. Therefore angle PAO is equal to angle QAO is equal to angle RBO is equal to SBO is equal to 90 degree. Since OA and OB are the radius corresponding to the tangents PQ and SR, therefore we can say that the all angles are 90 degree. From the above figure we can see that angle RBO, this angle RBO and OAP are the alternative interior angles. That means these angles are interior angles. From the above figure we can say that angle RBO, angle OAP are interior angles. Okay, from the above figure angle RBO and OAP are interior angles. Also we have this condition, also we have what condition? Angle RBO is equal to angle OAP is equal to 90 degree. Okay. OAP and RBO. This is 90 degree, and angle QAO is equal to angle SBO is equal to 90 degree. Okay. So we get that these angles are equal and it is 90 degree, and also these angles are interior angles. From this we can say that the lines are parallel. Therefore PQ and SR are parallel. We can say that the lines PQ and RS are parallel. Hence the proof. Okay. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share, and if you have any comments, just put below. Thank you.